want to know the country of stunning natural beauty with vast rainforests, majestic waterfalls, and diverse wildlife?
Do you want to meet the warm and welcoming people who are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with visitors? Let's explore!
The Guyana!
Guyana is a country located in the northern mainland of South America.
It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the north, Brazil to the south and southwest, Suriname to the east, and Venezuela to the west.
Guyana is the only South American nation where English is a official language.
Let's talk about the history of Guyana. Before European settlement, Guyana was inhabited by various indigenous peoples, including the Arawak, Carib, and Warao. In European colonization, the area was first settled by Dutch in the 17th century and became a British colony in the 19th century. About slavery and plantations, like many Caribbean nations, Guyana's economy was heavily dependent on sugarcane plantations worked by enslaved Africans. Guyana gained independence from Britain in 1966 and became a republic in 1970.
Let's talk about the geography of Guyana. In natural features, Guyana is known for its lush rainforest, which is cover about 80% of the country's land area. The interior is sparsely populated and included the Guyanas Highlands, which are home to some of the country's highest points. In biodiversity, Guyana is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, with a wide range of variety of plant and animal species, including jaguars, giant otters, and the rare Guyana dolphin. Guyana's culture is a rich tapestry pulling from the diverse backgrounds of its population, which includes the descendants of African slaves, injured laborers, and indigenous peoples, Europeans, and Chinese immigrants.
Let's talk about the beliefs and traditions. In religion, Christianity, Hinduism, and Islam are the major religions in Guyana. In festivals, Guyana celebrates a variety of religious and cultural festivals, including the Diwali, the Hindu Festival of Lights, Eid, the Muslim festival marking the end of Ramadan, and Christmas. Mashramani, celebrated in February, marks the country's independence and features vibrant parades, music, and dancing. Cuisine. Guyanese cuisine is a fusion of African, Indian, Chinese, and European influences. Dishes often feature rice, beans, and cassava, along with curries, roti, Indian flatbread, and pepper pot, a spicy meat stew.
In cultural identity of Guyana, English is the official language, but Creole language based on the English is widely spoken. In clothing, traditional clothing varies among the ethnic groups. Indo Guyanese women often wear saris, while African Guyanese women may wear brightly colored dresses known as bush jackets. Men may wear Western style of clothing or traditional Indian or African style. Guyana, with an untouched rainforest, stunning waterfalls, and diverse wildlife, offers a unique and adventurous experience for travelers. Here are some of its top tourist attractions.
Kayecher Falls, Iwakurama Forest, Rupunone Savannah, Shell Beach, Georgetown, Orindok Falls. These attractions, along with Guyana's warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage, make it a compelling destination for adventurous travelers seeking a unique and off-the-beaten path experience.